How to move rows in Airtable. Hello, welcome to our channel WebWiz, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to move rows in Airtable, so please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the Airtable website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I log in my Airtable account. You can just log in with your Google account if you want, and I'm on my workspace, and you will need to create an activity base first in order to add a table, for example. So to add a base, you can just click the create a base blue button right here in the top right corner, and that's it. That's how you create a base. So for example, I'm just going to enter one of my base, and if I click this one, as you can see, it will redirect me to this page where I also ready my table. So this is my table, as you can see. So I just created my activity table where I can manage all of the activities I have done so far. And if I want to move one of these rows, as you can see, you can hover on any rows you want. And as you can see on the left side, there will be a buttons that you can see. And if you hover by it, there will be a hand button. So now you can just press and hold that row and drag it wherever you want. You can do this on any rows. And as you can see, their number list will change also based on their position. And yeah, that's it. That's how you move rows in Airtable. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.